Hey, my name's Hussein. Welcome to Uptown Swing Solo Jazz Week 3 in September 2025. The things we went over today, the theme was transitions. I think the biggest thing we talked about in terms of transitions is this idea that you want to stay in a state where instead of being, split 50-50, I'm standing on this side and I'm standing on this side, we want to be generally standing on one side or the other. We saw this in class when someone came up behind and pushed me, and when I was split, I had a little bit of a stumble, but if I decided to commit to 1 foot first and someone pushed me, something happens all of a sudden, I can easily transition to the foot that I'm not on. The steps that we did today, we reviewed a bunch of stuff from previous weeks, like fall off the log, boogie forward, boogie back. The stuff we added today was boogie drop, boogie drop, boogie drop. Swivels, which we used in a combo, and half break, which we used in a combo. The combo we did at the end looked like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Hoo hoo hoo. Ha ha ha. Hoo 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 hoo. Hoo hoo hoo. Hoo 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 hoo. Da ba ba da 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 shoot ba da 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 do 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 do. And that was class. Thanks for coming.